Do you ever feel like no matter how much money you make, it's never enough? By the middle of the month, your bank account is almost empty, and you're left wondering, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with saving money, not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't manage it the right way. But here's the good news. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 easy and practical ways to save money every single month, even if you're on a low income. And if you follow these steps, you could start saving hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year. Let's get started. The biggest mistake people make is thinking that saving money requires a big salary. But that's not true. Saving money is not about how much you earn. It's about how you spend. Most people lose money in small, unnoticed ways. Daily coffee, online shopping, subscriptions you don't even use, late-night food orders, impulse purchases. Individually, they seem small, but together, they destroy your finances. Imagine spending just $10 extra every day. That's $300 a month, $3,600 a year. And that's money you could have saved. The truth is, if you don't control your money will control you. But today that changes, because the tips I'm about to share are simple, practical, and powerful. Let's start with the first one. The first step to saving money is simple. Track your expenses. You cannot fix what you don't understand. For the next 7 days, write down every single thing you spend money on. Yes, everything. Coffee, snacks, transport, subscriptions, shopping. At the end of the week, look at your list. You'll be shocked. Most people realize they are wasting money on things they don't even need. For example, you might think you're only spending $50 on food, but when you check properly, it's actually $120. Or maybe you're paying for 3 subscriptions, but only using one. Tracking your expenses gives you clarity, and clarity gives you control. Once you know where your money is going, you can start making better decisions. And that's when real saving begins, now that you know where your money is going. The next step is to create a budget. A budget is simply a plan for your money. Think of it like a roadmap. Without it, you're just guessing. Here's a simple method you can use. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% right arrow needs, rent, food, bills. 30% right arrow wants, entertainment, shopping. 20% right arrow savings. Even if you can't start with 20%, start with 5% or 10%. The goal is consistency. A budget doesn't restrict you. It gives you freedom. Because now, you're telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Now comes the powerful part. Cutting unnecessary expenses. Look at your spending list again. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Or is it just a habit? Here are some easy cuts you can make. Cancel unused subscriptions. Eat at home more often. Avoid impulse online shopping. Reduce luxury spending. You don't have to cut everything. Just remove what doesn't add value to your life. Even saving $5 a day. That's $150 a month. $1,800 a year. Small changes equals big results. Saving money becomes easier when you have a goal. Because now, you're not just saving randomly. You're saving for something. Maybe it's $500 emergency fund, $1,000 savings, a vacation, paying off debt. When you have a goal, you stay motivated. Visualize it. Track your progress. Watch it grow. And every time you feel like spending money, remember your goal. Here's a powerful trick that most people ignore. Automate your savings. The moment you get paid, a part of your money should automatically go into savings, before you even touch it. Why? Because if you wait, you'll spend it. Automation removes temptation. It builds discipline without effort. Even if it's just $50 per month, it adds up. And over time, it becomes a habit. Impulse spending is your biggest enemy. You see something. You like it. You buy it. Simple, but dangerous. Before buying anything, pause. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will I still want it tomorrow? Use the 24-hour rule. Wait 1 day before buying. Most of the time, you won't buy it. And that's money saved. Saving money doesn't require a big income. It requires smart habits. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Because in the end, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next video.